right, you guys, welcome back to part two, Ryan, of our benefits of buying. And today we are discussing the benefits of building equity while buying a home. So take it away, sir.
Yeah, as we discussed last week, we're getting that question a lot. What are the benefits to buying a home in this rate and home price environment? And the first benefit we covered is really just getting out of renting and the benefit of doing that and buying. And the second benefit, a big one, is building equity. Now just a reminder of what equity is. It's really the difference between what your home is worth and how much you owe on the mortgage. So, for example, if you own a home that's worth 500,000, you owe 300,000 on that mortgage. You have $200,000 in equity. So you build equity in two ways. One, you're paying down your mortgage, and two, your property value is going up. So, with paying down your mortgage, each month that you make a payment, part of that payment goes towards your interest, but another part goes towards your principal loan balance. So a typical mortgage is a 30-year fix right now. And the schedules work out that you pay that house off in 30 years where it's a zero balance, and you can even speed that up by making extra payments and buying down your loan faster. So as your loan drops, you're also building equity with that value going up. I was looking this up in 2014. The average home price in the United States was 331,000. Today, it's 513,000. That's a 55% increase. So just putting this example together, let's say you purchase a home for this amount, 331,000, 10 years ago. So if you only paid your minimum mortgage payment, your loan balance would be dropped to $274,000. And with the property value increasing to that amount that it's at now, 513, you have $239,000 in equity in that home. That's amazing. And the
It
flip side of
is.
that, if you're renting that same home for the past 10 years, your landlord gets all that equity. You get none of it. So that's one of our
True.
big tips is don't build equity and wealth for your landlords. Buy a home and build it on your own. So now there's a lot of things that you could do with this equity and, what can be done with it. We want to make sure we address that. There's a large number of options. One, of course, you could sell your home, and you could use that equity as a down payment for an upgraded house. That's what a lot of people do. Or two, you could even refinance the house and take some of that cash out, to pay off debt or do some home upgrades or travel, whatever you want to do. Three, you could get a home equity line of credit. That's pretty popular right now. It's almost like a credit card, but it's secured against your home equity. So it's a lower rate. And four, this has kind of been big too. We're working with a lot on this. And I know we did a Tip Tuesday about it. If you're over 62 years of age, you could turn that equity into a reverse mortgage where you're basically getting monthly payments back from the equity that you have. It's a great way to supplement retirement income. So all in all, this is a big benefit. When you own a home, you build equity, and there's obviously a lot you could do with that.
There's so much you could do. So much, Ryan. Thank you so much. And yes, you guys, put that money in your pocket, not in your landlord's. Awesome. Thank you so much, you guys. We'll be back next week for part number 3.
Thanks,
Bye.
everyone.